Today, in the lockdown period, we are accessing the internet for our studies, for our business, for our magazines, for our shopping, for listening to music, for playing games, and to access a wide variety of information. Internet. The small things, with the help of internet, we are doing too much. The internet is a network of computers, worldwide network of computers, with which we can communicate to other networks, we can communicate with others with the help of internet. The internet has millions of smaller domestic, academic, business and government networks which together carry many different kinds of information, and the short form of internet is net. Now the uses of internet: we can mail through internet, we can research, downloading files, discussion groups, interactive games, education, self-improvement, friendship, dating, electronic newspapers, magazines. One important thing, at least 85% of us are nowadays using internet to send and receive emails. The World Wide Web. The World Wide Web or web, W-E-B web or www is a massive storehouse of information. Where this information resides? It resides in the computer, called web servers, and these web servers located all over the world. Each web server hosts one or more websites, and every website has web pages. What are called web pages? Web pages are electronic pages. This type of page is called web page that you can see, and we can access the information using web browsers. What are web browsers now? Web browsers are used, it is a software that is used to jump to search. When we are using it when we want to access information on www or World Wide Web. When we are using it, when we request a web page from a particular website. The web browser retrieves the necessary content from web server and then displays the page on the user's device. The two things are there: a web browser, a search engine. A web browser works when a web server works when a web browser is installed on the computer. For us, a search engine is just a website that provides link to the other websites, and we can connect to a web server and display web pages. A user must have web browser installed on the computer. Web page. These pages are called web page because these are the electronic pages. Electronic pages are called web page. And what it contains? It contains text, pictures, sound, videos, etc. And these pages are written in HTML language. Website is also a page, or it is a collection of web pages on the World Wide Web. And Facebook, MySpace, these are the examples of websites. A web server. A web server is a computer that runs websites. It's a computer program that distributes web pages as they are requested. The basic objective of web server is to store, process and deliver web pages to the users. The intercommunication is done using Hypertext Transfer Protocol or HTTP. It is basically URL, Uniform Resource Locator. It is the web address of the web page. A URL has mainly two components: a protocol identifier and a resource name. HTTP is the protocol identifier, and google.com or any website name is URL. HTML, it is hypertext markup language. It is used to create web pages. HTML consists of series of elements. HTML elements tell the browser how to display the content. The important thing now is link. In communication, a link is the connection between devices. In data management or file system, a link refers to the capability of sharing and viewing shared information. And on the internet, the link is basically called hyperlink, and it is used to connect web pages to another web pages. Now the web browser, it is an application used to access and view websites. Example of web browser is Microsoft Internet Explorer, Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Apple Safari, etc. Home page. Home page is the first page of website, and basically it is the root directory. These are the basic contents that are used to search through the web. Let us come how to search through the web. I have installed Google Chrome on my computer. See the Google Chrome here. See the Google Chrome here. I am clicking on it. The Google page, we can see this Google page is called the home page. We can search through the information with this search box. Let us suppose I want to search YouTube. We have to write here the YouTube. See the YouTube link. Clicking enter, it will open. All this is YouTube basically. See the loaded YouTube page. I am going to libraries. Here I have all the videos of mine. See the videos, your videos. See the videos. That all I have shared with you. By this way, we can search through the internet.